Hello there folks, and welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to RPG Maker. I said let me get back to this little, well, kind of a project in a project, and let's see if I can actually finish this Hero Wars add like a mini game. I wouldn't call it a game though. So let me see, these were the switches that I was using. You don't shut down. Okay. Okay, you don't shut down because I need you for some reason. Alright, let me see, do I actually have sound in the background or? Alright, I can actually hear myself. Now let me see. Alright, so I actually started at 2020. That's a magical number of progress. Okay, now it's time to remember. So change transparency. Wait, change transparency off. No, this one disappears. Okay, because last time I replicated the player is gonna be an event, it's not gonna be the player themselves. Okay, now let's see, player movement is specified here, and then let's say automatic teleportation. This one I need to wait, is this one entirely finished or? Oh wait, the wait 180 frames. Hmm. Hmm. Can actually put all of this into code. Location 6. Oh wait, I didn't code the location 7. Okay, let me copy paste this one. Let me put it here. And let's see, which one was location 7? Wait. Enter if you want to activate an event without having to double click it. And only activates the last event which you have, the event which you currently have selected. Alright, let me see, location 7 is the one in top. So this one should be 5535, good. 5535. Okay, so if player, this event is x equals 5, this one equals 5. Alright, you're gonna be teleported here and you're gonna be facing left. Alright, sun copy, paste here, and you're gonna be 3. If you're in location 3, 5, you're gonna teleport here facing right. Alright, now I haven't tested anything till now, but it's not a problem because I usually write a lot of code and then test it all at the end. Not because I'm arrogant or something, but I'd rather have much of the game finished and then I can literally test it. Good, so that part is also finished. Let me see, buff handler for used, yes, is on. 1988. Oh wait, it's any of the 4 it's any of the 4 buffs. Alright, so let me see. Wait, didn't I add the buffs somewhere? Because I do remember I've written a huge bunch of code though. I wrote them here, 397. Alright, yeah, I remember I wrote them somewhere. That event was, wait, it's not gonna spawn. I need to spawn it from here. 397 is gonna be here. Yes, and it's gonna be this one. Now this is quite lengthy, I can say. I think I should actually put it in a big script instead, because I hate lengthy events. Plus 3, plus 4, plus 7, plus 10. Let me see, how do things go? So power, player triggered 75. This one is 85, 86. Let me see, what's so special about this one, because I don't remember a thing. So I'm guessing these ones become 787, and technically it's gonna be the same. Wait, 790, that's something. These are player level manipulators. Yes. Okay. These are player level manipulators, so these don't change a bit. Only this one changes. No. The script would be much better. Okay, that's way too lengthy. I'm gonna go here. Okay. Alright, so let me see. 785 player trigger. Alright, let's see. Hero Wars, add like mini game design. Yes. Var buff, buff number equals dollar game variables dot value 785, right? Because this one is 85. Good. So it's gonna have 4 different values. Wait, it's game variables. Alright. Some accolade from here is missing. That doesn't make me feel safe. That doesn't make me feel good. I don't know. Bro, how many are missing though? I don't know. This code is no longer correct. I mean, it's good, but it's no longer usable because, yes, I changed the entire code of the game, or, well, a lot of effects and mechanics, so that's no longer gonna be useful and such. Wait, this one, what is the name of this one? Wait, these ones were supposed to be different numbers, I guess. Alright, this one is supposed to be 789. Yes. So buff label. Alright. buff1 equals this 6 7 8 9. All right, now 2 3 4. All right, 2 1 3 and ultimately 4. Wait, I don't need that. All right, so 78 76 7 8 9. Good. Now after these I can actually start doing this. I don't think I'll need the labels anymore, since this entire thing will be a script. So until I do that though, I need a switch case. Alright, and it's gonna be case. Alright, case. It's gonna be 4 cases. Wait, it's actually gonna be case 1 2 3 and 4. I actually have one of these. It's gonna be switch for this one, and case 1, let me see, it's gonna be each of these situations. So 786, if this one equals this, yes. Alright, technically I can actually do this and put it here. Format selection, and let me think a bit. Should I even bother with this? No, I'll leave it like this. Alright, and then I'll have else this one, copy, if, alright, and let me see, I need to look at chat from time to time, because I might get, I'm typically tunnel visioned, and I might actually forget that chat exists. Format selection, and that should be one case. Okay, now one situation. Alright, then this one, well, it's times 3, so technically I can copy paste this, and wait, 2 3 3, and it's gonna be 3 here and divided by 3. Yes. Okay, now what are the other cases? +1 till +10. Good. Wait, JavaScript, if I remember correctly, switch case in JavaScript can understand strings, but RPG Maker has an awkward way of not understanding certain aspects of code. So let me actually be on the safe side of the coding. Alright, so if it is +1, then I have to copy this. I mean, instead of declaring level and result each time, I can declare them in the beginning somewhere, but no, it's easier to just copy paste these. Alright, else, and then there's this one, which is gonna be -1, right? Yes, and you are gonna be minus. Now I need format selection so that it looks cute, and okay, if you want to format them in this way, sure, I don't mind. Okay, that's gonna be a bit, wait a minute. Okay, so I wanted only this format selection, and I want only this format selection. because I want to work as much as possible and have to change as little as possible. Yes, yes. That's technically it. So I have to add this. It's 2, 2. That's technically it. Now it's +3, -3. These are the level adjustments for the buffs. You know, just like in the ad when the player picks a buff. Well, I don't have time to build animations and the such. Technically, when the player picks up a sword or something, you know, there's the 2x, 4x, you know, things like that. I'm only interested in creating the, you know, the structure for it, the skeletal structure for anyone who may be interested in doing games like that in RPG Maker. I only may actually preserve this as a mini game in my own project, because all I do is come up with challenges and see if I can actually code them. So that's kind of what I seek. And also, yes, I'm working towards a game, but wait. Wait a minute, what's your problem now? Eh. Oh, wait. Yes. Okay. And then there's 7. And 7. Good. Right. Now we need 8. And we need 8. And there comes... bruh. 9. And 9. 9 here. 9 here. 8, 8. I almost forgot. And then there is 10. 10. So level is +0 +10. Alright. After each of these cases, these don't have to actually be a number though. A string, I mean. This can actually be a number. I mean, +7. This can be a string. And I'll leave it like strings. Alright, it doesn't matter much. The machine does its work in the background. I don't care much. Alright. Now there's something I didn't add in the original part. So if level, which one it is? 790? Yes. If $game variables dot value 790 is smaller than 0, okay, so the player's level cannot be 0, then we arrange this little piece of code, put here and replace it with 0. Yes. Alright. I'll also say player level cannot. Okay. You know what? Always put it above because it's much better. Yes. Good. So after these, all of these, yes, it's this, and then what comes after a case is break. That kind of should be it, right? Yes. This one repeats itself, so it could be at the end of the switch case instead. And I can delete all this amount of code. I don't need to add the add label, because each of these 4 events, 2, 3 and 4, these are also gonna be taken into account. Wait, 785. This is the base value, yes. And here the let me think a bit. Should I actually add this one at the end? I mean, switch case. Yeah, it could be actually. Because I want to write as little code as possible, and whatever repeats itself, well, it can repeat itself. You're gonna need to stay here. Why teleport there? Okay, break is not needed here, but it's needed here. Yes. Okay. Now copy paste this. Till here. Yep. Um, 3, 4. And last case never needs break. Okay. Save, just in case. Now, case 1, case 2, case 3. So case 2 regards 787, right? Yep. So Control H to replace 700, find me 786, replace with 787. Yes, yes. So replace, right? 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now case 3 I need 7, 8. Oh, should have written 9 though, but oh well. Okay, 788. Now it's 789. Good. Good. No. Enough change. So this should be the script for the buffies, including this one. Okay. So I don't need to add this. This one is needed. And at the end, this one is reset. Okay, it is set to 0. Good. That is the best thing. Alright, let me open this little one. No, I don't need that one. I need this one. Yes. Bruh. What happened? Okay, case 3. Why is it really that lengthy? Bruh. Copy. 552 lines. Alright. Okay, copy these ones, put into a script label. I don't need the label anymore, and instead of a super lengthy event, alright, level manage, let's see, player management per buff interacted with. So now I have one single line of code. I mean, who doesn't know how to do this amount of scripting? Well, it's not that hard to do it anyways, but if you don't know how to do it, that's no shame. You can simply use the command lines. Okay, everyone learns at their own pace. Alright, so that should be done. Let me close. I can close this one. Let me hit apply. Let me hit OK. Alright. Let me hit save. I'm gonna save this one in the backup, and then I'm gonna continue with it. Just because it, as a project, it got a bit biggy, and I don't want it to crash. Also, my laptop is overheating again. Okay, close that. Let me save it in the backup. Alright, that's the only thing that you, or at least I need to save in a backup, and we're back into the project again. Alright, meanwhile, let me also go here, project unminified effects. Let me go here and let's say mechanics or something like that. Hero Wars add like mini game. Let me also, I'd actually cut it from here and put it in here, and that's it. Let's say level handling, because I might have more of these scripts. Alright, so the project loaded again. Now, as the project loaded, I need to actually fill the what the heck are these? 1985. Let me see switches. Good that it's not 84. Alright, 1985. Ah, alright, buff 1 used. Yes. Now, what was this buff cooldown handlers? Ah, alright. Alright, so conditional branch. Then let's see. If this one is on, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Buff 2. Wait. No. All the buffs respawn at 15 seconds. Yeah, it could be much better if I do that. Let me see, which one was the one that actually spawned them? No, player movement, not this one. Wait, the initial value shouldn't be loaded in here. 395, 397. Alright, this one shouldn't be here. Right, these ones should be handled here. Right, let me call it value and cooldown handler. So let me say every 15 seconds these will simply respawn or change value, okay? And based on what I've decided, there's times 2, times 3, and then from +1 to +10. Okay, let me see a bit. Buff 1 used. Hmm. 786. Alright. So 786. Each of these buffs, as I said, I think I'm gonna need a script for this. So how many values can they have? You can have 24 values, right? It's from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The minus ones are 20 times 2 times 3 divided by 2 divided by 3. Right? So it's 4 of these, 24 values. Alright, so it's 24 values. Let's see, var randomizer equals math.floor math.random times 24. So this means from 0 to 23. So I need to add 1 so that it's from 1 to 24. Right? From 1 to 24. Now we've got switch case. Oh, bro. Yeah, switch. Randomizer. And then case 1, 2, 3. Bruh. I copied stupidly. Why the fuck do you go there? You know what, screw it. Case 1, case 2. Let's see, case 1, which will it be? Dollar game variables dot set value 786. Let's say times 2. Yes. Now break. Wait, how did I put it in? Leave it like this for now, because I'm gonna delete it anyways. It's x2, it's not star 2, is x2. Alright. In this case, you're gonna be x3. Yes. Now copy these two, and there's gonna be case 3, case 4. When this one's gonna be divided by 2, divided by 3. Good. These 4 cases will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, in which it will be plus 1, plus 2. Come on, literally. Really? Plus 3, plus 4. Copy these. Gonna be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, let's say. Okay. Plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. Come on, literally. Plus 8. Wait. Plus 9. And it's gonna be plus 10. Good. delete these, and now I want these copied, and it's gonna be the last cases, right? It's gonna be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, save. Yes, yes. 10. And from here I want you to find me a plus and replace it with a minus. Yes, yes. We're not going that far though. So these are the 24 cases also. Now break doesn't be needed here. Okay, buff value randomizer. Whoop. So it's copied here. Alright, need to minify this as well. It always loads a bit of the previous code, so always use Ctrl A to select whatever it writes and then paste over it. Copy and alright. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's not a bad point. And this one is introduced, if I call it correctly, in here. Alright, so if buff1 was used, wait, not used, so if it is false, let me think a bit. How did I code this one? So if any one of these is on, this one needs to be assigned a value before, not when player interacts with it, because it's gonna be obnoxious to give it the value when the player interacts with it. So when the player interacts with it, it's too late. This needs to be set on start. So the buff manipulator, wait, event intro, and I also need to turn on this one, 1984, the buff manipulator. I need to turn it on. Yes. So let me see, 1984. When does this one actually turn itself off? Because I think one of these two conditionals isn't needed. Let me think a bit. So this signifies being used, okay. It was used, let's say. I mean, basically it needs a value allocation. No. Yes, if it is used, true, has value equals 0, so it needs new value. Alright. Okay. Wait, this one needs there needs to be a conditional somewhere so that okay, buff1 is used 1984. It's gonna become 0 anyways. So a value is given to this, to buff1 gains a random value, okay, aka player level manipulator. Okay, yep, yes, var 786. Okay, now it's 87, so 88, it's 3. Yep, and last one, no, this one is 789 with 4. Good. And that's a cute point. It's a good start for now. Let me see. 700 buff1 is used, yes. Alright, it gains a value in here. This one is turned off. Alright, 700, oh, 19, this one becomes off. Alright, no, it gained its value. Alright, so this actually needs to be placed here, here, and here. Alright, good. And now all I need is again the same thing. 786 replaced with 787. Good. Now 1, 3, for all the cases, obviously. This one needs to be copied, pasted here, paste 987. This one is here. Good. Now 787, I want you to replace it with 8. Yep, yes. I'm not gonna use all because maybe I have this value somewhere else, so I just want to be respectful to the document. Okay, and then here copy, and it's gonna be buff 3, and now it's buff 4, which I want to have, let's see, 788 be replaced by 789. Okay, well, apparently there are no other results. Good. So copy this one here, save, can close that safely, copy, and here. And since I said this repeats every how much I said, 15 seconds, this one will be 900, because 60 frame times 50, right, is, or should be 900, right? 60 times 15 is 900. Well, my math is still good. Alright, triggers every 15 seconds. Good. the level manipulation is handled here. Alright, wait a bit. Refresh mini label. Yep, wait. At times I rush a bit too much. Okay, so you copy this, because I need it. Wait. Buff manipulator. Wait, hero buff effects trigger. Wait a minute. $785. So the condition is, first of all, this one can be a condition, easy condition. No, here, this one. Because I can't have this trigger in any possible situation. And this one, this doesn't trigger first. This one needs to be here, so that this one triggers first. The value change triggers first, and then the event is invoked. So that this was used. So the conditions would be 2. Okay, dollar game variables dot values 785 equals 0, because this one must be 0 necessarily. Alright, and dollar game switches dot value 1985 equals false. Okay, this and this. Okay, this one is turned off, should be turned off if you ask me. Alright, so 786 will get a value in here. Should the 786 also have a value? I mean, it must be 0 in this case. Wait, there's something else that needs to be done. Buff 3 and buff 2 and buff 4, so it's 15 to 18. Wait, this one also needs to handle something else. Dollar game map dot event ID. Okay, so self switch changes. Var map ID equals dollar game map dot event ID var key equals, because this is gonna be only for this one. It's gonna be so map ID is map ID here, because it's loaded in this variable. It's loaded in this variable. The game knows through this what map ID you have, event will be 15 for this case, and cell switch will be A. Wait, wait a bit. Something is not. Ah, no, it is correct. It is correct. Because here, when I change the switch, the cell switches, I do it through command lines because it is in the event itself. When you change an event's cell switches from outside, you need to only use scripts, else you can't do it. So let's see, key A and key B. Okay, because we're going to manipulate cell switch A and cell switch B for event 15. This is going to be something that we also need to do as well. Now game self switches dot set value key A. Okay, so cell switch A becomes false. Okay, and then this becomes true, key B, and it's gonna be true. That's highly important, because the player doesn't interact with this. There's nothing here, basically. It is unavailable, and in this form they interact with it, these change, and then it changes from B to A, which is uninteractable. So something needs to change it from 1 to B, 1 to 2, or page 1 to page 2, or page A to B. Depends how you do it. Okay, this is just a skeletal part for the event itself. If you want to create a Hero Wars like game, basically these are the steps that I logically see. Alright, buff 2 used, yes. This one's gonna be, the only change here is 16. Okay. The only change here is 17, because I like coding the way I do. Because once I finish something, I can easily, copy paste it. And again, this should be it. Alright. Now there should be another event that notifies how many players have you actually killed. Alright, how many players have you actually killed? Let me see. Now I also need the conditionals. Conditional. Let me actually not. Let me see this one. This one. Enemy level, because it's enemy 1. Must be strictly smaller than constant. Wait, no, variable. Must be strictly smaller than player level. Yep. Okay. Else if it is higher, okay? Player is defeated. Here. Let's see, how do I do a quick map refresh? Because technically when you refresh the map, you're gonna technically restart everything. So let me see, what are the switches that are governing this? So this one is constantly functional, it doesn't matter. Automatic teleportation, this one also is functional. So only this one is 1984. This one could be placed in a common event, but I don't know. Let me see. Script. If dollar game switches dot value 1984. Alright. Okay, so caps lock wasn't pressed. Okay, so if this one is true, dollar game switches dot set value 1984 wait, false, yes. Okay, so this event is shut down, obviously. And then what else should I need to do? Reset the map. The easiest way to reset the map is to teleport the player. And that will basically refresh all the points. I'll need this one because I always forget the teleportation script. And if that works, because I think when you teleport the player on the same map, I don't think you refresh the map. I'm not sure if you actually refresh the map though. I'll have to test this. Uh, okay, width and height is gonna be 1 and 1. Wait a bit. Bruh. Don't tell me I have to do... Didn't I? Oh my gosh, I didn't do... No. I fucked up so bad. Now I need to do basically everything from scratch. I'm such an idiot. Why the fuck does that page... Why the fuck does that menu not load upwards instead of downwards? I always click select and fuck up everything. Okay, let me see. What the fuck do I have to write again? Oh, this. Where the fuck was it? Extras, mechanics, buff value. Branch, switch. Oh my gosh, now I have to go through everyone. 1984. This one, yes. 234. All right. Yes. Yes. Alright, next one. Copy, paste. Alright. Copy. 188. Come on, I really hate being faster than computers. Okay, they were meant to be faster than me. Copy, paste, copy, here, yes, script, yes. Alright, now what the fuck was else in here? Hate when I do these on a rush. This one also ends, yes. This one also ends. Yes, the corresponding switches end. Copy, paste. And here. And paste. And Good. Oh, here it's 900. Repeat once in 15 seconds, because apparently these guys weren't wise enough to actually do an undo for map changes, map dimension changes. Alright. Or maybe there is, but I don't know of it. But I also lost all the comments and the such. Wait, let me actually fucking save, just in case. Oh my gosh, it takes ages for it to save. Alright, what the fuck was... Oh, okay, let me see. Any of these are true. Correspond needs value reset. Okay. Six, 7, 8, and 9. Alright. Yeah, this one was placed here. Player movement didn't need any change. Event intro. Yeah, obviously. Good thing I remembered. Okay. Buff value and cooldown handler. Give them a value. Oh wait, this one was that. Yes. Var. Wait. Here or here? Wait. I also need to put those stupid things back here. Okay, so this one was placed here, and I need to add the conditional script. Dollar game var. Come on, literally, why do I have to be faster than computers? Value 785 equals 0. Yes, and then dollar game switches dot value 1985 equals false. Alright, so this here. Okay, now. Okay. What is 2? It's 1980. Well, technically it's +1, and it's no, this one is 787. Or wait. Wait. I think it's not a bad thing that it crashed. Or I did a bobo, cause 785. It's kind of not needed, honestly. Player didn't make a choice. It's gonna be set to 0 anyways in the event here, right? Event here makes it 0, 7, 397, or where the heck was it? Oh, here. It is set in here as 0, so it's not needed. It's not needed though. This one is not needed. It's kind of useless. Okay, so I can actually delete these as, but I don't need to use a script anymore. 985 here. This one is off. Um, dollar, no. If dollar game switches dot value 1984, right, equals false, right? Then we turn it on. Dollar game switches dot set value 1984 true based. Alright, so we don't start it if it's already started, we only start it this way, and that should be it. Okay, so copy 2, don't need this anymore. This one is like this, cut place here and switch. This one must be, must be false. Alright, all of these cut, paste, based. Okay, now copy. Where is number 3? This one's number 3 here. Delete, paste. You cut, paste. Alright, switch 3 must be off. Cut, paste. Alright, turn it on. Show that it was used. This one actually changes the player's level, no? No? Yes. Yes. Okay, so I need to wait, what? Oh wait, these also need to be I think I can safely delete these. Wait, I'm gonna be back to this in a moment. This. Okay, and I need this buff 4. Why on earth did I actually select that, bro? I'm actually coding with my brain shut. I don't remember anything I did. Okay, 1984. This one, cut, and conditional. This 4, you must be false. Cut, paste. Paste. Okay. Save. I should also close that. Don't think I need these variables like this. I don't need these. Because technically these should start as on because basically they need a value. They actually need a value. That's the point. Good. Right, so they have the buffs. Well, if the buff is 0, it's not gonna do anything because its code only functions based on this premise. And let's see, hero wars buff. Let me change the parts here as well. So as I was writing the last script before I screwed up, var map id equals $game map dot map id, var key equals obviously the map id, then it's gonna be event 15 because this is the first buff. A. Oh yes, and it's key A. Good. Key B is for B. Now $game self switches dot set value key A false, right? And key B becomes true. That's technically it. Now this one comes here and it's 16 based. Now 17 and 18, right? Right. Good. Okay, now let me hit save, quit, put it in the backup, and I think I'm gonna jump into the characters themselves then. Alright, let me start this. Data, put it in the backup, replace, yes, G, good. Now I need to create a map and actually make sure that it is a map and not edit the original one and fuck things up again. Has happened before. Alright, this map loads so quick because it doesn't have too much written into it. Alright, so you conditional branch variable 700, which one was it? This 791 must be strictly smaller than this. Yes. Then this, create else. Here, player is defeated. Reset map. Um, this one is greater or equal. Yes. Yep. Let's see. Let's call this troll mini game. And back, and you're gonna be 1-1. Alright. Wait, there was a black tile if I remember correctly, right? Eh? No black tile? Meh. It's gonna be map. It's gonna be anyways. No, you're gonna be here. Or, no, put it here as architecture. Okay, now. So in this case, it's gonna be script dollar. Wait. Ah, okay. I can also take this one. Edit here. Actually, I don't need to use the script. I can actually use this to teleport player. Wait. Fade out screen. This. This. Now player is teleported back here. And fade in. Where was that though? Comments, scripts, set opacity. Change camera view. Wait. Yeah, this one. Well, my laptop is overheating, so I think I'll be ending with these characters, and the next time I'll be doing this, the other stream, or I'll do it as an offline recording, because it's not much left to do. I only need to do an algorithm that increases when characters die, increase their level so that they match the boss level. I think I'll do a quick offline recording, and then I'll combine all the three videos and put them on YouTube. Alright. Good. So here, fade in, teleport back. Good. And those events will start anew. That's 1 point. Um, Alright. I also need to do an event for these little ones. Which calculates the difference between the player and that. So then this one. Let me actually see. Enemy level gain. Alright. So I need a variable first and foremost. Let me see if I already have something like that. This is the level, so copy paste player engaged phone number. Yes, yes. Okay, so I only have 10 enemies. Wait, 784. Okay. Wait, could I make a quick? Yeah, I think I can make a quick script. I don't need this anymore. Okay, so let's see. Var engaged enemy was $game variables dot value 784, right? Oh my gosh, I also need to go to the loo, but I can wait a bit so as to finish this part. Switch. Okay, this, and it's for engaged enemy, and it can be case 1. Okay, it's 10 enemies, so in case of case 1, if it is this one, there is already the comparison if this engaged enemy's level is smaller or is smaller than the player's level, right? Engage, so this will only happen in that case, else the map resets and the player starts anew. 791 level. Okay, let's see. Player level $game variables dot value. What was player level? 790. Okay, good. 790. Good. Var enemy. You know what? Equals not this one. I don't need to put it here anymore. Okay, and this one var enemy equals 0. Okay, good. I don't need to declare this anymore. So enemy equals the value of 791. var result equals player level, aka this value, plus enemy. Alright, and then $game variables dot set value 790 result, right? Set player level after the fight. Okay, and then break. And well, that's technically case 2 will be set variable 792, right? Because case 3 is gonna be 3. Case 4 is gonna be 4. Case 5 is gonna be 5. Case 6 is gonna be 6. Case 7 is gonna be 7. Case 8 is gonna be 8. Case 9 is gonna be 9. Good. Oh wait, there's also case 10. 10. I think it was 800, right? And the break is not needed here. Alright, now this one I need to wait. Surely copied it? Okay. Okay. Here, extras, mechanics, new. Hello. I don't need this anymore. Okay. Copy. This one is enemy engage. No, enemy fight. Save. No. Copy this. Paste, right? Copy. Yeah, one single script. When any foe is defeated, calculate player's level. Good. Apply. It should have alright. Let me see. Yeah, okay. Wait, which event are you? 396. Good. Good to know. Okay, so in this case, variable 7 is 1. You become 1. And what was it? Ah, yes, common event 396. Yes, yes, 396. Good. And let's actually change things a bit. It makes things a bit animated and flashy, but oh well. not player, this event, hit, let's put a random animation, I don't care which one is. Okay, this one is done. I want an animation on player. Let's see, he'll, let's say this, and I need that one command. Which one was it? This one. Wait, I don't need to add that at each player, at each character. No, 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 no. This one needs to be added here. Yes. Needed to refresh the levels. All right. Whoops. Okay, now I also need player level 1. Yes, this is the most important part. Okay, because when resetting, this will start again. Good. So enemy 1, I don't need to add that here. This is gonna be reset there in the event. I could have 30 frames wait instead, and that should be it, I'd say. Now, this also needs to be changed, yes. This stays the same, only this changes, and this. The value variable here. Alright, let me quickly add this to all the foes, and I'm gonna go take a dump. And also end the stream, because I can't, I mean, it's not that I can't stream for a long time, but I really don't want to do it. I also want to go to bed early. So this one is 2. Alright, 3, right? You're number 3, good. Here. So this is almost over. As I was saying, I'm gonna most likely do a off-stream recording, and it's gonna be based on YouTube, Pharyngean board introspection protocols, and let me see, 3, enemy level 3, enemy 3 level, alright, you 4, no, this one, no, hey, where 4, oh, okay, 4, okay, 4, and this, oh, bro. 3, 4. Alright. I'll need to do some juggling with the levels, and that's the last thing that I need. Then the game will be, the mini game will be fully operational. And, well, that's kind of everything that one will need. After that, it's up to you how much you want to make it more complex. I mean, I will make this more complex once I reach this, if this is decided upon to stay as is, again by me, but I've got far greater things to change and handle than this. 6, which was, this one was 7. Okay, 7, 7, and you 7. Alright. 4. I think this one is 8. No, this one's not. This one's 8. Okay, 8. Alright, so all I can say is thank you for watching, thank you for joining. If you joined, thank you for lurking, thank you for not being toxic. You're appreciated, have fun, enjoy life, and well, these being said, enjoy life. Remember that life is like a game, so remember to play the game. Don't let the game play you instead. Take care. Don't worry if you fuck up around. I'm here to give some pieces of advice. You can watch some of the videos if you want to learn a few things. You can also ask me on any of my YouTube videos, preferably the latest ones. You can ask me questions. Fortunately, I'm not too well known, so I can answer comments and the such. So, well, feel free to keep learning, and obviously I urge you to keep learning. Always keep learning and improving. Take care. This being said, well, Ferengian board kind of signing out. And, well, kind of for good. So 10, 10, 10. Alright. And, well, have an awesome day. Ferengian board signing out.